Welcome back everyone. So in the last video, we solved array wrapper, and in this video we are going to solve calculator with method chaining. So let's dive in. Okay, so we have to design a calculator class. The class should provide the mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation. So it should also allow consecutive operations to be performed using method chaining. The calculator class constructor should accept a number which serves as the initial value of the result. Your calculator class should have the following methods. Add. This method adds the given number value to the result and returns the updated calculator. Subtract. This method subtract the given number value from the result and return the updated calculator. Multiply will multiply, divide will divide. Also, if the value passed is 0, an error, division by 0 is not allowed, should be thrown. Power. The method raises the result to the power of given number values and return the updated calculator. Get result. This method return the result. Now the solution within 10 to power minus 5 of the actual results are considered correct. So this is a class and this is a constructor. So we'll set this dot initial. This dot initial is equal to value. Okay. Now when someone adds the value, what we'll do is this dot initial plus equal to value and will return this. Okay, so the dated calculator object, this, so that we can change. So when, for example, someone calls add, so for example, when someone calls add, so this add will return this, which means again the object is returned. So we can do something like this, add again 10 dot add 15. So this is called method chaining, which is done by returning the this. Similarly, we'll do this in subtract. We'll do initial minus equal to value and we'll return this. In case of multiply, we'll do this dot initial multiply equal to value and we'll return this. In case of division, we'll have to check if the value is equal to 0. We'll have to throw new error, and that error is division by 0 is not allowed. Else we'll do this dot initial division equal to value and return this. And when someone calls power, allowed to do this dot initial is equal to math dot power of this dot initial and the power will be value and will return this. And when someone calls the get result, will do return this dot initial. And now we'll see the result of this. Okay, so test case has been failed. So let's see why. First we'll create calculator object, then we'll add what is the initial value. So let's see in the example 1. So first we'll create a calculator with initial value of 10, then we'll add 5, that is 15, then subtract 7, that will be 8. So result will be 8, and in our case we are getting 15. Let's see why. So first we'll create this dot initial is equal to value. When someone add this value, so this dot initial plus equal to value, return this. Subtract this dot initial, so the variable was wrong. Multiply initial, not intel. So divide will be initial, power will be initial, and then we'll return the initial. So all the local test case has been passed. Now we'll try to submit and see whether this can pass all the test case or not. So our solution got accepted. So the main thing here is the prototype. So if you understand the prototype thing, you will be able to understand the this. So if you are calling, for example, object.get result, so that object is accessed inside this function as this. And when you are returning this, you are returning actually the original object. Okay, so you can do the method chaining.